Hello and welcome back to another macro day right here on Scriptcase by Jamie. Today we are focusing on the SC menu disable macro, and this macro will allow you to deactivate menu items dynamically. A nice little feature that is incredibly useful for managing access as well as navigation based maybe on user context. You know, those processes I'm always talking about, or permissions within the Scriptcase menu, the tree menu as well. So let's unpack how you can utilize this specific macro to refine your user experience in your applications. So hello and back we are with another macro day. So here we are with the same blank application as the previous one, and maybe I need to add some content in here, but of course that content is today's macro, and that is SC menu underscore disable. And that is how we do it, and it's really as simple as that. The syntax is simple as you see, and then the parameters, can you guess? It's again just the item number, item underscore 1, 2, 3, whatever it is that you have within your menu application. Now, if you don't know what I am talking about, then you missed last week's macro video, because there I have explained this a little bit. But anyway, we will have a look at it again. So let's dive into here my menu application. And here I have my admin menu. So if I go ahead and open this one, and I haven't actually tried this macro here in the new menu, but we'll give it a go. So we have here my admin menu, and let's say here my add to do. So if I close that up, and if I come here to my events, I will want to add that now onto the on application init. But first I need to check here my add to do. So that is item underscore 96. So let's go ahead here and come in here, SC menu underscore disable, and then we want to have here then item 96, right? So we add that in here, item 96. And now if I go ahead and run, the wrong bracket, look, and if I run again, shall we? And just like that, there we have our error gone. And notice that we now have the button disabled or removed from the user view. So it is still there, but it is just disabled. So let me go ahead and comment that out and run that again. And there we have here dash add time, dash add to do, add time. So as you see, it removes that item, menu item, should I say. Now, if you want to remove multiple items, then you can comma that, and item number 100 and item number, say 12, whatever it is that you have there, and you can then disable multiple items also at once. Now, just as the previous demonstration, we can, of course, apply an extra group in here. So let me add that in here. We have that then from last week's video. And then there, for instance, I could say for user group, we will disable menu item 96, and then for any other group we disable whatever items we want. And it's really as simple as that to use this macro within your menu application. So the SC menu disable macro is pretty useful as well as beneficial in role-based access control systems where you require certain features, and features should be visible or not, basically depending on your specific user groups. Are they accessible? Are they not accessible? And that is entirely up to you. And you can configure that all within your applications very easily using these macros. So this approach does maintain user awareness of available features while controlling the access appropriately. And this is an extra guarantee that no one else will view specific applications or menu items as they shouldn't. So do maybe apply it within your applications. Okay, so this SC menu disable macro is very useful, as I have explained. And well, with that, I think we're at the end, aren't we? And that wraps up our session on the SC menu disable macro. So be sure to integrate this macro into your applications so you can ensure a more secure as well as user specific or group specific navigation experience within your portals, keeping certain menu options available or active when they should be, per group, per user, per role, as you require. And it's easy to apply. Go ahead, add it into your applications now. And of course, if you found this tutorial helpful, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Well, go on, leave me a comment. Let me know you like this video. And I'll see you in next week's macro video right here on Scriptcase by Jamie. And I hope this video has been helpful for you. And again, let me know in the comments if it has.